Alright, let's look at the homework 3.4, problem number 5. Alright, let's find the derivative of capital F of t given here. Alright, so we want to take the derivative, so we have capital F prime of t. Alright, so outside function is exponential function, so I'm going to just put exactly what it is. So you have e to the x. Right, leave the inside function as it is, so it's a 9t sine of 2t. Right, then you have to multiply by derivative of the inside function, so I'm gonna just write it this way: 9t sine of 2t. Right, so we still have to take the derivative. Right, then in order to take that derivative, you can see that the two things are multiplied together. So first I'm gonna put the 9 outside of the derivative because it's just a constant multiple, and then you have two things multiplied together, so t and a sine of 2t. So we need to use the product rule to take the derivative, so let's do that. Alright, so first part is already finished, so I'm just gonna copy that: e to the 9t sine of 2t. Right, then multiply by 9, so 9 is already outside. Then we have to take the derivative of the first guy. Derivative of t is 1 times the second guy is sine of 2t, and plus first guy is t, and then take the derivative of the second guy. Derivative of sine is a cosine, right? Then leave the inside function, which is 2t, then multiply by derivative of inside. This is easy enough, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. So derivative of 2t is just 2. Right, so maybe I'll put the bracket here, square bracket, and I'm going to change this guy to a square bracket. Alright, so I'm going to clean this up a little bit and see if it looks a little bit better. So I'm going to put, let's see, take care of 9 first. So I'll put 9 here. Alright, then I'm going to take care of sine of 2t. Alright, so we have sine of 2t, so I'll just do that, and plus, alright, so you have a 2t cosine of 2t. Alright, so we have a 2t cosine of 2t. Alright, so we got that. Then we have e to the 9t sine of 2t. So we have e to the 9t and the sine of 2t. Alright, so let's type it in. Alright, so we got the 9 times sine of 2t plus 2t cosine of 2t. Right, then e to the 9t sine of 2t. Right, hopefully I got that correctly. Right, so let's submit for testing. Alright, let's see. Oh, actually, sorry, I misspelled something. So this should have been 2, and maybe give a little bit of. So let's double check that again. Alright, hopefully this time it'll be correct. Alright, so it came back, and alright, looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.